PDL leather holster pouch case for Huawei P9 allows you to carry your device on belt easily. You can remove your device anytime by the opening at the bottom. Luxury slim design and full protection. Added comfort. Leather belt clip allows you to place your device on your belt. Beautiful and outstanding stitching with premium exclusive selected full-grain leather coming together creates this extraordinary model, while adding luxury and full protection. We have PDL leather holster case for Huawei P9 that allows you to carry your device on belt easily. We also have PDL leather pouch case with belt clip for Huawei P9 that provides full protection with our traditional design. We specialize in custom, premium leather cases. Although we carry the classic black cases in stock for immediate delivery, you can always go to the customizer to create your own stylish premium leather case. If you are looking for additional colors, patterns and type,